name is Levi Morgan, and I'm the operations manager at Gladius Construction and Design. We started Gladius with the dream of creating a better construction company. Starting a project can be a challenge. We help guide our customers at every step, from conception all the way to completion. Our number one priority is customer satisfaction. We're not just building structures, we're building relationships, and we're creating spaces where memories are made. Whether it's a small bathroom or a full home renovation, we bring the exact same level of care, quality, professionalism to every single job. Our team are not just skilled craftsmen, they're passionate about what they do, and it shows up every day in every detail.
I refer a lot of people, a lot of things, and a lot of services. When Gladius stepped into this project, they took it from the most basic house to one of the most luxurious homes I've seen in quite a bit of time. This is not the first time I've used Gladius, and not the first time I referred Gladius. I've actually referred them quite a bit, and the reason why I continue to refer them is their level of expertise with permitting, design, concierge hand-holding, budget conscientious. They take it literally from the beginning of conception to the end product. And the great thing about the fact of the end product with all the clients that I've referred them is they love them and will continue to use them and refer them again.
From day one, whether it was carpenter, all the people, they were all on board with the vision. I would talk to my friends and say, this is what we're going to do, and they just couldn't see it. I have no regrets about any of the decisions we made. I'm so happy with everything. I just love being in my house, and I would recommend Gladius to anybody that really wants to have that extra level of care and can share a vision with you.
We offer free design consultations because we care about our customers. If you're looking for an award-winning company that prioritizes your interests, we'd love to collaborate with you. Let's build something amazing together. Please go ahead and fill out the form on this website or give us a call. You can find us at gladiusbuilders.com. That's gladiusbuilders.com. Looking forward to working with you.